Mash'ar. Thank you.
All right. Thank you guys. Please seat it. All right, next I would like to welcome a person that we're very lucky to have here tonight. Hamza is a public policy student specialist, specializing in education policy and minoring in international business at The Ohio State University. He is passionate about public service and served various nonprofit boards. Hamza is interested in how we can get more young people engaged with public service and is always looking to work with young people who are making impacts in their own communities. He is no stranger to the Somali community. He served as the Vice President of the Somali Student Association, where the Ohio State University Somali Student Association established the first Somali Student Association conference, so the one we're having about tonight. He established the first one in 2017. Let's give a warm, casual welcome to tonight's host, Hamza Ahmed.
How you? All right, how y'all feeling tonight? Y'all feeling good? How you? Y'all looking good, I'll tell you that. Ooh, mashallah. First things first, assalamu alaikum. My name is Hamza. I think we're in Somalia. Cool. So our tonight's program will be in both Somali and English. With that being said, or in other words, if you don't understand Somali, find somebody that does, because believe me, we have an amazing show for you tonight. So let me tell you guys a little bit about myself. Like Mohammed said, my name is Hamza Ahmed. I'm a fourth year at The Ohio State University. Make sure to get that right. I'm specializing in education policy. So alhamdulillah, I've had the opportunity to serve as the Vice President of the Somali Student Association at The Ohio State University. In 2017, I actually met Mohammed. And once I know Mohammed's gonna come on stage later, but one of the first things that I have to do is give it up for Mohammed. If y'all know him, Mohammed Gure, please give it up for him one time. Please, come on. So Mohammed is honestly just one of my favorite people in the world, mashallah. So when he gave me the opportunity to come to Tennessee for the first time and be a part of your guys' Somali night, I had to take it. With that being said, we have a lot in store for you guys tonight. So tonight is for the culture, right? So we're gonna try to show you guys the beauty, not only the beauty, but what we really have to offer. Being Somali American, we have a unique Somali American identity. So we want to showcase that tonight. With that being said, up next, we have a Nashville local. No, it's cool. I gotta make sure, real quick. So please help me give a warm, is it Cashville? Cashville welcome to Ugas Ahmed Hassan from the Somali community of Greater Nashville. Please give it up.
Hello. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My speech tonight will be Somalian because of part of culture. So, like my son, my uncle, my son said, somebody will translate for you. So, since I'm representing Somali community of Middle Tennessee, my speech will be Somalian language. So, be patient with me. Thank you so much. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ilaa mahad iskale ugu horeyn waxaan u mahadnaqayaa Somali Student Association of Middle Tennessee. Waxaan ugu mahadnaqayaa dadaalka ay muujiyeen, kartida dheeraadka ay la yimaadeen, waxtarnimadooda iyo isku duubnidooda ayaan ugu mahadnaqayaa. Waxaan u mahadnaqayaa oo kaleeto dadkii abaabulay ama diyaariyo organize gareeya xafladda qiimaha badan leh ayaan u mahadnaqayaa waxaan u mahadnaqayaa oo kaleeto dhammaan ka soo qaybgalayaasha waqtigoodii soo bixiyey iyagoo aan ognahay inay laga yaabo in waxoogaa arrin dhileed yar u dhacay haddana dulqaatay oo samray sugay inta aan maaragtay hawshaas ka mira dhalinayno guushadan aan ka gaarayno aad baan idinku mahad celinayaa dhammaantiin iyo sidaa uga soo qayb gasheen waxaan kaloo u mahadnaqayaa special guestiga noo yimid oo aan ahayn Soomaalida waxaan ugu mahadnaqayaa mahadnaq aad u weyn ayaan u jeedinayaa waxaan rabaa inaan ka hadlo magaaladan aan joogno state of Tennessee waa magaalo aan jecelahay waa dhulkayagii weeyaan ilaahay baan na siiyey waa ku nool waxaan nahay Somalian American and we're proud to be Somali and American